Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to delete a Gumtree ad. If you want to get rid of a Gumtree ad, then the process is quite easy. First of all, go ahead and open a web browser and type in gumtree.com and search. Make sure that you're signed into your Gumtree account like you normally do. Once you're inside the main home page of Gumtree, go ahead and click on the menu button at the top right corner. Now, click on Manage My Ads. Scroll down and look for the ad that you are currently trying to delete. Click on the Delete button right above the ad and select one of the options you'd like to move on with. Soon after you do that, you will be able to delete your active ads right away. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.